friend. You see me. I see you. I see you, see me, see you. So, without any further ado, let's just do this thing. You know why you're here. Let's just get it started. Now, friend, I'm back again. Okay. And as you can see, I've already started the foolishness pretty early on, but with good reason because baby, like what? I've been playing in wigs again. And I had to bring you another sleigh the Simply Tea way. Under $50, okay? So this one is yet another wig from, you guessed it, Outre, okay? And this girl, her name is Charisma. And that's what she's giving me. She's most definitely giving me charisma. Charisma is definitely giving me coincidentally bumping into your ex-boyfriend at the mall with his new girlfriend. Charisma is giving me stun on him. You know how people always give advice and they say like, oh, dress up or do your hair as if you're going to bump into your worst enemy or your ex-boyfriend that day? Charisma is that girl that I would most definitely rock unexpectedly just oh my high school bully. How are you, girl? How you doing? How you been? Oh, William, how are you? Oh, me? Oh. Thank you. I know I look good. Is this your lucky lady? Hi, nice to meet you. You look good, girl. Helpful. But anyway, this is the part where I ask you to help me describe the vibe. Because I already told you what it's giving me, but I need to know what it is giving you guys, okay? So before I go any further into my excitement over this wig and why I'm actually so excited about it, let's get into the specs. Charisma is from the Outre Perfect Hairline line. And I'm tripping. Please tell me I'm tripping, but I could have sworn, didn't the Perfect Hairline wigs come with a faux scalp? Or am I just like imagining things? Like, let me know if I'm tripping in the comments below, because the first thing that caught me off guard is the fact that there was no faux scalp. And I'm always telling you guys about how I feel about faux scalps on a wig and why they're a little harder to blend and give scalp vibes and all of that. And then I opened up this package and it was just straight HD lace. I mean, that's not a bad thing, but it also has me wondering, like, wait, have I been imagining things this whole time, or did they just like switch up or hear our cries for stepping their game up? Because that is what Outre most definitely did with this girl, okay? Now, when I took her out the box, I was a little nervous. I told y'all I'll be nervous to try different colors and different color combinations. When I first took this out the box, and even up until the point when I did try it on, I wasn't sure about how this color combination was gonna look on me. So I was like, you've already committed to trying something different this year, so just put it on and see how you feel about it. And I was like, okay, well, yeah, try it on. But baby, need I say more? I mean, come on. Really. This, of course, is the style Charisma from the Outre Perfect Hairline line of wigs. And I did purchase this under $50. So if you are feeling Miss Charisma, if you're feeling the color of this unit, if you're feeling the lace of the unit, the volume, the curls, or anything of the like, you know I got you. All you have to do after this video is go down in my description box and I will have the direct link to where I purchased it from, how much I purchased it from, and all of the details of this particular wig. Now, this one came in the color Ginger Mahogany. So, I've been on my ginger kick for so long. I don't even need to say anything else. And I've been trying to like deviate from it because I see myself like clinging to the Cajun spice ginger color / copper, red and orange. But I'm not mad at my decision to try something new today. I really am not. I really am not. When I saw how big the streaks of colors were in this hair, I was like, ooh, okay, Tosh, like what you gonna do with these big highlights? Like, are they gonna look okay? Are they gonna look all right on you? Are they gonna complement your complexion? But you know what? I'm glad I gave this a try. And this is probably, yeah, this is probably one of my favorite wigs I've ever put on, y'all. Y'all know what that means. My paycheck is depleted. And by paycheck, I mean not the one that I already wasted, but the one that's coming next Thursday. Yeah, because Simply T's buying this again in this color and all the other colors. Speaking of, it comes in Chocolate Swirl. Now, if you need an idea of what Chocolate Swirl looks like, you can watch this video to see what that color looks like. Cinnamon Wine. Ooh, sounds fine to me. And that looks like a cherry red on this info card. Golden Amber, which looks like a champagne. Sandy Blonde, which, you know what, I would go crazy and try. I really would try Sandy Blonde at this point. Cajun Spice, which is like my ultimate favorite. I feel like it's my signature color at this point, but it does come in Cajun Spice. And of course, Ginger Mahogany, which is what I have on for y'all right now. Now, this is giving me chocolate peanut butter. I don't know about you. I don't know how you feel about it, but it's most definitely giving me Reese's milk chocolate and peanut butter. That's what this is giving me right now. Some of the basics. It comes with the adjustable straps. It comes with a comb in the back. So Peanut Head Gang, I looked out. I looked out for us. Big Head Gang, I looked out for y'all too. Now, I might have noticed that, put this on the list of things I'm tripping about, but did they go ahead and hear our cries about how loose the elastic band was? Now, Big Head Gang, this might not be for you, but like Peanut Head Gang, this is gripping me. Like, this got me. I feel supported. I feel uplifted. I feel support. Okay, I feel encouragement by the tightness or the security of this elastic band. This is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig parting space. Okay, so I did go ahead and give myself my signature side part, and it is an ear-to-ear frontal, as you can. Here's a little taste of what it took to kind of get this down to the meltdown that you're looking at right now. Now, of course, with most, if not all, of the Outre perfect hairline line wigs that I've tried on with you guys and reviewed, this one is also a transparent lace wig with no plucking required. It's a 13x6. Don't let the lightness of the wig intimidate you or scare you from giving it a try. This is for all of us, okay? If you want to try that red, if you want to try that champagne, if you want to try that highlight, if you want to try that ginger mahogany out, this is your chance. Look, life is short. We're in the middle of a pandemic, and we're all just looking for something to make us feel like ourselves again. So I would most definitely suggest that you try this girl out, most especially in this color. This is heat styling friendly. And the great thing about it being a 13x6 lace, fully hand-tied lace wig, is the fact that you can do it in a side part like I have it right now, the middle part like you'll see in a minute, and you can also braid this girl and put her in a high ponytail. Yes. So it's giving you scalp, it's giving you comfort, it's giving you security, and it's also giving you versatility from ear to ear. So I would most definitely recommend this wig from Outre to my girlfriends. If you're watching this and you are tempted to purchase this in this color or any of the other colors that I read out to you from the info card, do it. Do it. So this is the part where I give you a couple of angles of this wig just to give you an idea of what it looks like, and also different facial expressions that you can try out when you do bump into your ex and the ex's new girlfriend by happenstance, or they decide to stunt on Instagram together. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. So let's practice together. Check out these angles that I'm about to give you to practice on how to accidentally bump into your ex and the new girl. And drop down in the comments below and let me know how you feel about this hair. Once again, friend, thank you so much for humoring my craziness, clicking play on this video, and all of your constant support. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you. Hi, welcome. And if you're already a part of the fam, thank you for coming back again. I'll see you in the comments where we're going to get started with our chat. See ya.